Hello, I'm Jitendra from the Office Guys Tutorials. Welcome to the 6th video of my series Thesis Writing in Microsoft Word. In this video, I'm going to tell you about hyphenation. Now, in case you don't know, I'm pretty much sure that you have seen hyphenation before, but maybe you don't know the word. So let me just show you what is hyphenation and how it's going to help you in some documents. So let's jump into the tutorial. So here, I have the same document which you are dealing from the first of this series. Now let's say this is the paragraph, and usually when we justify the text, in case you don't know what is justify, so you can see when I do left align, which means that the text are going to be aligned to the left hand side. Center, which means the text is not aligned to any other side, but it's aligned to the center. Similarly with the right, and justify means it's going to be aligned from both the sides. Now this hyphenation issues usually come when you have some long text, or when you're writing in two columns. So let me just demonstrate you what is the problem. I'm selecting this paragraph and I'll come to layout and I'll come to columns and I'll change it to 2. So let me just write here to change the way, let's say mechanical, some big word if I writing, engineering. Okay, let me just delete this as well. Okay, so what is the concern over here? Now if you see the spacing here between two it is more, while on the bottom side if you see the spacing between picture fits in your document and this, and consider some other line, want to add so you can see in this line where we have big words, the spacing is more, and where we have more words in a line, the spacing is less. So in this kind of situation, the hyphenation is going to really help you out. If you want to make your document all look as of same spacing, you need to use hyphenation. So hyphenation is nothing but, let me just turn it on and then I'll explain you what is hyphenation. So I'll select this paragraph, I'll come to hyphenation under the layout tab, and I'll just change it to automatic. Okay, so you might have noticed in newspaper or magazines, you will have a text hanging half on the top, half on the bottom. So this is called a hyphenate, and the process is called hyphenation. So when you come across this kind of issues where you have big terminologies, usually the process names will be very big, and you don't want your spacing to get spoiled by that. You need to use hyphenation. However, there are some important settings under hyphenate that are really going to be helpful for you when you're writing your thesis. So now let's just quickly select the text that we have hyphenated and come to hyphenate and come to hyphenate options, and make sure that you uncheck these two and come to manual. Now you can see it is asking me, do you want to hyphenate this or not? Now sometime what happens, let's say instead of picture you have written microstructure. In that case what happens, the mic will come on the top and row structure will come at the bottom. I don't want that to happen because people may read mic as once and row structure as a separate. So in those such cases I want to avoid the hyphenation there. So I'm going to choose the options accordingly. So I'm going to do hyphenate at picture. I say no, don't hyphenate the pictures, and I'll click no. Now it's asking me once again, you have somewhere in the document, so doc you meant it's like that, do you want to hyphenate? I will say okay, document is a very common word and it can be hyphenated, so yes. Now professionally it's asking me, so it is giving me suggestion also which one you want to do that. Okay, so I want to say yes. So you can see it has come there. So designs also it's not good because it's becoming D signs. So I don't want hyphenation to be there as well. For example, it's okay. Example, it's fine. So like this, you have an option, and this is what hyphenation is all about. So you need to balance between the spacing and the hyphenation. This is all about, and this comes with experience. The more you do, better you'll be. Because some scenarios I have seen, the text spacing will be too wide. You will, in only one line, you will have almost like 4 or 5 words, and hyphenation becomes very important. And other cases where the hyphenation becomes very important is the places where you have very big terminologies coming up. So so 3 words will cover the entire line and you'll have very poor spacing there. In that case, you need to look forward towards hyphenation. So that's all guys for this video. I hope you have learned something in this video. And in the next video, we are going to see how we can add line numbers for easily reviewing of the thesis. So with that said, I'll take off for this video and I'll catch up with the next video. By the time, please don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Thank you.